these gonna be a problem. What's going on, my good people? It's your big homie Leonard back again with another video, man. If this your first time on the channel, man, make sure you smash that like button for your boy and subscribe to the channel if you want any tips, advice, or reviews on anything sneaker related. And without further ado, as you can see in the title, man, it's the Air Jordan 1 Pollen. First thing first, man, I want to give a special shout out to that boy Just for Kicks. I'm going to leave the link to his channel up top and the IG on the side of me, man. If you want any early releases, don't hesitate to hit that boy up. He going to take care of you, man. I promise you that. But for all my returning subscribers, man, you already know how I roll. I don't like to take up too much time, so let's go ahead and dive inside this video. Now, this right here, this how you present a shoe. Nike. This is what you're supposed to do every single time you have a dope release coming out, man. This is what you do. As you can see, instead of having your standard black and red box, they made it black and yellow, man. This is fire, bro. This is fire. I can't even count, man. For all the people who enjoy boxes, man, y'all can't get mad at this. Let's go ahead and dive into the sneaker, man, to talk about the quality. The smell of a Jordan 1, boy, I tell you, boy, you can't get enough of it. Can't get enough of it, man. Now, talk about the leather quality, I mean, it's not shot at backboard. It's not the worst of the worst, but this shoe so hard, bro. I really don't give a damn. I really don't give a damn about the quality, man. This shoe hard. Just as long as it ain't trash, it's alright for me, but now looking at the picture, man, I thought the yellow was gonna be a little brighter than this. It's more like a burnt yellow, but I ain't mad at it. Still dope, in my opinion. Like the color blocking of this shoe is like straight on point. I know a lot of people say they'd rather have it in a bread color blocking sort of way, but I think this right here, bro, this is, bro, they didn't miss. I promise you they didn't miss. Now this nigga did come with 2 sets of laces. You got your white and black. I'm not a fan of swapping the laces like I always say, but these is getting swapped, bro. I gotta put the black in these. I have to. Looking at the tone, man, instead of doing that all black with the Nike logo in yellow, they kind of reversed it, and I'm digging that, bro. I'm really digging that. One thing I noticed about this shoe, man, it got a little extra padding on the tongue. Can't even get mad at that, man. Add a little cushion for the pushing, you feel me? Ain't nothing wrong with a little cushion for the pushing. Go ahead, Nike, do your thing. Like, no cap, this is one of my top 5 sneakers of the year. Like, I don't care what nobody say. Y'all can put whatever, all that hype stuff in front of these, man. I don't give a damn. These is fire. Yeah, man, Nike did not miss with these, man. Like, I'm usually hard on the shoe. I don't like nothing, especially all the new colorways that coming out. But these right here, fire. This sneaker is set to release August the 7th for a retail price of $170. Now, when it comes to resale, I think these will go around the 400 range, probably shoot up a little later on in the year. But hey, don't take my word for it. Don't hold me to that. I'm not a reseller. I just buy kicks and wear them. That's what I do. Don't hold me to that. Now, if you actually want this pair, just do your boy a favor. Don't put them Pittsburgh Steelers jerseys on, man. Leave that at the store, man. Let's do something different with a black and yellow shoe. Because every time a black and yellow shoe come out, that's what the first thing y'all grabbing, a brand new Pittsburgh Steelers jersey with a Pittsburgh Steelers hat. Leave that at the store, man. Leave that at the store for once. But yeah, man, that's about wraps up this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button for your boy. And don't forget to follow me on IG at bighomie_Leonard. And until next time, man, I'm out of here.